Greetings everyone. Today we are having here with us Ma'am Ankit Palkar, Coordinator ADR Society, Lovely Professional University School of Law. Welcome ma'am here with us in this platform. So ma'am, what about the ADR? Why today ADR is very prevalent term in terms of legal field?
Good question, ma'am. ADR is actually not a new domain as it is understood by everybody. It is fairly an old system, but inculcating into the law domain is entirely new process. What the new trend remains is that apart from the civil litigation that everybody is aware, courts, judicial process are now motivating everybody to have an alternative dispute resolution mechanism, to choose an alternative dispute resolution mechanism. That is why here in Lovely Professional University School of Law, we are motivating our students, we are pushing our students to look for the processes beyond the traditional process of civil and criminal litigation towards the ADR processes.
Okay ma'am, so do we have any kind of curriculum apart and parcel of this law programs regarding ADR?
Yes, ma'am, we do have a proper core subject, ADR mechanism in School of Law, where the processes regarding commercial arbitration, civil processes of family disputes, trademark disputes, specifically which are coming under the domains of the ADR, we are covering all those things.
Okay ma'am, do we have any type of activities including in apart from the studies?
Yes, ma'am. We at School of Law focus the overall development of the student. We have court visits, we have ADR center visits, we have mediation center visits, where the experts have communication with students. They interact with students. They show how the process of ADR actually does. We have Lok Adalat visits where the students interact with the judicial processes, and also apart from this our students go and they win the national competitions.
Right. Congratulations.
And yes, thank you ma'am. And we also organize competitions in university itself relating to the ADR.
So does this ADR kind of curriculum helping students for getting their placements done?
Ma'am, this is the recent trend that for the law student it is very much and has become a core skill that they should know how to negotiate, how to create contracts, how to discuss the parties' requirements with the opposite parties. So this is something which was already in the practice in traditional universities, but from the perspectives of the placements, from the perspectives of the corporate world, this has to be enhanced. And keeping in mind that actual environment of the corporate world, we at School of Law are trying, and actually we are doing very good in that. And that's just a feather in our cap that we are actually doing very good in this field, to motivate and to train our students so that they are able to negotiate the terms and conditions when they are in the job itself.
So thank you very much ma'am for coming with us and giving so much valuable insight regarding this ADR system.
Thank you so much.
Today's world in this legal field.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for listening to us, for giving us a valuable time. Thank you.
Think big. Lovely Professional University.